In this video, I will tell you how to create shadow effect in Adobe Photoshop. Here is the image and I want to create the shadow effect of this particular image. For this purpose, you select this person. For example, I use object selection tool and select the object selection tool and select this object here. It will take some time to selecting this object. See that the object has been selected successfully. So by Control and C we make it copy and by Control and V paste it and just double click on the copy you paste here and there is the option of drop shadow. Click on there so we can easily apply shadow effect here. So it is very easy to add shadow effect in Adobe Photoshop. If liked the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and don't forget to check the resources link in the description below. See you in the next video.